In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TikTok videos to Shopify with no apps and no coding. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to display any TikTok video directly on your Shopify store using only built-in tools. Let's start by grabbing the video from TikTok. Open TikTok in your browser and use the search bar at the top to find the video you want to feature on your store. This could be a product review, a behind-the-scenes clip, or any content that supports your brand. Once you see the video you want, click on it to open it on its own page so you can access the sharing options. On the right-hand side of the TikTok video, you'll see several sharing icons, such as copy link, embed, and various social sharing options. Look specifically for the embed icon. Click on that, and a pop-up window will appear showing an embed code. This is a small piece of code that allows you to display the video on another website. Click the button that says Copy Code, and make sure the code is copied to your clipboard before moving on. Now switch over to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, find the menu option labeled Online Store and click on it. You'll see your current theme listed there. Next to the theme you're using, click the option to edit the theme. This will open the theme editor where you can change the layout and content of your store without touching any complex code. Inside the theme editor, look at the left panel where your sections and blocks are listed. Under the template you're editing, click on Add Section. A panel with different section types will slide out. Scroll down until you find an option called Custom Liquid and click on it. This creates a new section where you can paste code. You can drag and drop this new Custom Liquid section to place it exactly where you want the TikTok video to appear on your page. Click on the Custom Liquid section you just added to open its settings. You'll see a large text box meant for code. Click inside that box and paste the TikTok embed code you copied earlier. As soon as you paste it, Shopify will interpret that code and display the TikTok video in your theme preview. Now look at the preview pane on the right side of the screen. You should see the TikTok video appear in the section you just created. Take a moment to check the size, position, and overall look. If needed, you can move the section up or down using drag and drop until it fits nicely into your design. Once everything looks good and you're happy with where the video sits on the page, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. This publishes your changes and your TikTok video will now be live on your Shopify store for visitors to see.